everybody, welcome to my channel. I am Shabita Kotak. I'm a health and well-being coach and I help people live a healthier life physically, mentally and spiritually. And today what I'd like to go through is one of my favorite recipes that I share in my whole food workshop. It's broccoli pesto. So what you need in this recipe is some garlic, broccoli, seeds and nuts of your choice, some Parmesan cheese or nutritional yeast if you're vegan, and olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. So what I'm going to do is pop, no cooking involved, it's raw, so it's really healthy for you. Put some garlic into my processor. I'm going to add my broccoli into my food processor. Now broccoli is high in vitamin C, vitamin K, it's high in iron, it's good for, it's got high fiber, so it's really, really healthy. And then you've got these beautiful seeds. Today I'm using sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds and sesame seeds, but you can use seeds, nuts, whatever you want. Just be adventurous with whatever you've got in the house. And I'm going to put the cheese into the bowl. So that's all done. Wonderful. I'm going to add some olive oil. Now you can add as much or as little as you want. I'm just pouring some in. It just helps with the mixture blending easier. So that's that. A little bit of salt. I like to use sea salt. It's just better than table salt. A bit of black pepper. And some lemon juice. This is a great way to get your kids to eat broccoli. I invented this accidentally because I had some broccoli left over and I thought, how am I going to get my kids to eat this broccoli? And I thought, what am I going to do with it? So I thought, let me blend it up and make a little pesto out of it. So I presented it to them and they loved it. So now I put this pesto in pasta as well. So you can toss pasta through it. So we're just going to blend it. Break up some big bits of broccoli. Should have chopped it up. Oh, that looks divine. Okay, pulsed it, and there it is. Oh. So have a look at that broccoli pesto. So before you tip it out, have a little taste to make sure you've got enough salt, pepper and olive oil and lemon juice in it. Tastes good. Bit more lemon juice. Little bit of olive oil. So let's just blend this one more time. Beautiful. Just going to mix it up a little bit more and blend it one more time. Perfect. And there you've got the broccoli pesto, and how I like to present it with some little crackers. So today I've got some little water crackers. I'm just going to pop a bit of broccoli pesto on top, just like this. And then I've got some cherry tomatoes. This is exactly how I give it to my daughters. I've got some bocconcini. And then in the other one, I'm going to use some olives. So have a look at that. Oops. And give it a go. This is such a great way to get some raw vegetables in your belly. And remember, you can toss this through pasta, which I normally do as well with my children. So anyway, let me know what you think. Have a try. The recipe is garlic, broccoli, olive oil, lemon, salt and pepper, and a bit of nutritional yeast if you're vegan, or Parmesan cheese if you're not. Give it a go, try it out. So if you like this recipe, press the like button, share with your friends, whoever wants to eat a bit healthier, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.